Hey everybody, welcome to another video of Watch Me Practice Trading. This is the week of August 15th, 2022. We practiced Monday and Tuesday already, so 15th was Monday. We did Monday and Tuesday. We are now on Wednesday. We had two sessions already. First was 8:30 to a little after 9, then 9:10 to 9:45, 46. So that's where we're going to start off from. We're going to continue where we left off. So we'll go like 9:46 a.m. Why not start right where we left off? And currently right now we made 3,000 last time. So we are at 65,900 for our balance, our initial balance. And we start off the week on Monday morning with 35,000. So we are pretty close to doubling the account in just a little bit over 2 days. That's pretty darn good. We're trading the E-mini NASDAQ, the NQ on the Tradovate platform. And let's get rolling over here, see what's going on. I'm going to kind of do a little bit of a recap because actually here, I'm going to pause it. Let's do a little bit of a recap. I was doing these recaps while it was running. I was missing some trades, so I think I'm going to try pausing it and kind of see what happens here. So I kind of need a little bit of a refresher because this was a little while ago that I did the last videos earlier today. And let's see here. So we have a bunch of charts. We have the 5-minute, the 1 hour, and then these two are tick charts over here on the right-hand side. We have the shorter and longer time ticks. And if we look over here, let's look at the last couple of days. So this was last week through Friday. We had a little bit of a run up. And then on, let's see, so this would be Monday morning. We had a run up, then it went sideways after hours, dipped down. Tuesday morning, came back up, went sideways. And then on the 17th, this morning at 1 a.m., it's coming back to me here. At 1 a.m., it started a sell-off. It dropped down from 671 all the way down to 434. So that's a pretty significant drop, over 200 points down. And then kind of came up and then went down again. Now it's come up slightly. So this is the day here. So this is Wednesday morning. We have market open right here at this line, at this vertical line here, where we opened approximately 518-ish, 517. We hit the opening range high here at 565, almost a couple minutes later. Then we came down, went back up, down, set the low here at 230. So opening range is from 8:30 to 9:30. Did I say 8:30? I meant 9:30. So the first hour's opening range. So we have the high at 565, the low at 466-ish, 65, 66. And this is the 50%. This is momentum trading. So we are looking at the momentum. This is a momentum short. This right now is longish. And this one is mostly short, but possibly switching around. So we could have a situation where it is reversing. Don't know. We'll have to see what happens with this. We are at all these lines are levels that we're going to pay attention to on all of these here. These horizontal lines, these are key levels that I kind of drew just so that I could keep track of things. And you know what? I will probably do a couple more levels. I'm going to reuse these, and I know I moved them a while back. So let's see. This is going into last week. That's a big candle there. That's a big old green candle. Look at that thing. How big is that? Starts off at 13,085. Wow. It goes to 326. I wonder if that must have been one of the news days or something. But anyway, there we got a level here. Got that one. That, I don't know about this one. Maybe. I don't have too many levels because that just confuses things. Okay, so we are right there. Let's see. So we were kind of going sideways, dip down again. Now we came back up to kind of where we were a little while ago. So this is around 950. So it's about 20, 30 minutes ago. We were in this range here. This box, I use this to help me get a good look when it's ranging. If you can switch this around. Yeah, there we go. I like that better. There we go. Having that top left, bottom right. That's better than having it the other way. So, for example, we had a range over here that was going for a little while. I mean, are we going back into that territory? Don't know. But yeah, since this morning, so market open was like right here. We went up, dipped down, up, moved almost all the way to where we had the high for the day. And then we came down. Right here is opening range low. So we overshot that by a bunch. Right? We went down like 30, 40 points, past it, and now we're back above the opening range. And we are testing this level right here. Again, how about on the 1 hour? On the 1 hour, we're right there. Is there anything back here to the left? Yeah, I don't know. Okay, so we are short. Maybe in a period of transition, like inflation. Very sarcastic about that. And then this guy here. So I'm going to resume it. We'll kind of see what we want to do. I don't really have anything that kind of screams at me to do anything in particular, but let's take a look and just kind of watch it a little bit, see what happens. This could be a good area for it to reverse. You know what? We will kind of go with that for now. So I'm going to layer in 3 shorts right here. Thinking that it'll come up here, just a slight dip up. Maybe pick us up once or twice and then go down. Hopefully we're not a little too greedy with this. And then, it just goes down from here. And when I say greedy, I mean, I want more profit. And I basically put my positions in out of where, it reaches for. So this one here is technically long right now. And let's see. Yeah, so could have had a support level here. Drop these down a little bit. Let's see, how far apart are these? 84, 92. Maybe scooch these down just slightly. Oh man, did we miss this? We might have. So let's look at this. Let's look at these. So we're above this, below that. At 450, we flipped around on this candle. We had a green candle here. Got another minute and a half left in this candle. Seems to be kind of an area of resistance here at about 467, right? Back here at 930, then twice here. So we might be edging lower. Okay, so we had another kind of touch here at the opening range low. Let's see if it'll get past it or not. Let's see, that's 466. We got a buy or sell 10 points above. Man, it looks like it's going to go down. See if we can get in just a touch higher. We possibly have a little bit of a breach. Okay. That was not the best thing to do, but sometimes it works. We are in for 6 short. So it looked like it was going to go down. It'll be amazing if it rips down all the way over here. So, actually, let's put a bunch over here. So we're $800 in profit, or it's kind of going all over the place. 7, up, down, all around. Have a nice sell off there. Okay, we just dropped down to 5. Well, that kind of stank. So we made $300. Probably shouldn't have sold there. Go up a little higher, maybe like in here. You're going to keep going down, aren't you? That's okay if you do. I want you to. So look at that on the 5-minute. This low coincides right with the bottom of these 2 candles. Go, 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 go. Keep going. All the way down here, please. So now we are short 8. So went in kind of heavy on this. We'll take, well, we don't want to take 4 off here. We want to take 2 off here if it gets there. And then, okay, that's cool. That's cool. Then let's get rid of these guys up here. We don't want them around. Then where's this line? So I'm on this left chart. There it is. So let's see. Buy 4 stop up there. So this is going to be a trailing stop, and this one's going to sit here. Go down, down, down. So we breached the low, right? We sure did. So is it stalling here? How are we doing? $1,000. We got another 2,900 here. Looks like it's stalling. So now this one won't move. So I'm kind of right now hoping that it's going to continue going down. We're in 4 short. Are we at 1732? And how's our 5-minute look? So right now, 5 minutes, 4 minutes left in this candle. We had 2 reds. This one's come up a little bit. Looks like it might be having some resistance here. Let's hope that it keeps going down. We'll bring this down. Just so if it rips up, we'll lock in our profits. But it just came up here, took us out. Of course, that's what the market does. It takes us out early. At least that's what happens to me. And let's hope that it keeps ripping. Okay, potential area here for it to stall and go back up, or it'll keep going. That's what we do want. So it could come up to like here. If it comes up to here, we'll add some more. Let's see if it goes down below this. Ooh, nice, nice. Rip down. Let's see. Maybe like the next area that we might have some resistance. That's going to be like down here somewhere. So I would like to see it come all the way down there. That would be really great. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one more off. Okay. Just in case that is an area that it's going to stall at. So we're $1,200, 3 contracts, about $400 each. Okay, let's pay close attention here. What's going on here? So we are going sideways. The question is, how is it going to react when it gets out of this? Where's the likelihood? Is it going to come back up? Or is it going to go back down? So we're still short. We're short on everything right now. This one here is the one that flips first, right? So if there's going to be any change along, this is the one that's going to tell us. So big push up. We'll get out of our positions. We'll look at getting heavier up here. It's kind of sucky timing. Selling right at the top here. We'll get out of that for now. How are we looking? 2,900. 2,900 in 22 minutes. Or probably less than about maybe, 15 minutes, 17 minutes, somewhere around there. Okay, so we'll still go on the premise that we're going down. See, this could be the end of it. Now it's going up a little more. Let's see. How are we in terms of aggressive moves upward? I'd say this is like, it's a 50-50 here. And I'm just thinking from the standpoint of, do I need to pull the trigger and get out of this? Okay, we've got a reaction area here. Is it done with its move up? Nope. Okay, I'm good with this area here being the end. Maybe a little bit higher, then it can keep going down. Opening range low is up here. We're 6 contracts short. Keep going down. You see, where was our first entry? Sell, sell, sell. I don't know if I like this. Looks like it might keep going up. Okay, potential momentum check here. Potentially need to get out of this. Here, so I'm going to try to get out of 2 over here just to lighten the load a little bit. Go down to 4 short. I could probably just buy my way out of them immediately. But if we're down here, we're in profit just slightly, a couple points. Looks like a little bit of a push down. Okay, we're out 2. Let's see how far down it goes. Oh, maybe not much. Hopefully it'll find resistance here and then keep going down. Don't really want to start over. Well, I will, but I'd rather not. So what, 600-700 in profit right now. Keep going. So we're short, 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 and short. Took one more profit real quick. If we get down to here, I'll take one more. And let the other 2 ride. This might be a little too close, this trailing stop. Probably going to take us out. Yeah. Whoa. That would have taken anything out. Let's see, how do we do? 4,000? Awesome. Okay. So, man, what do we think about this? That is a candle we definitely need to pay attention to. Don't really know where things might go now. I mean, this is really strong move. Huge, strong move. The question is, are we going to get the resistance again back up here and go down? Are we building a range? Let's see. Let's zoom out a little bit. We'll bring our range box over. Pretty close, the same as last time. Here, let's see. Oh, come on, you're killing me. Here, there we go. All right. So low, tap that as a high. So if we get in, this is the area to get in short up here. It's probably maybe going to go down here again. So I did this one at ones, single contracts. Yeah, it looks like it's going down. Not the best area. We are right in the middle. I thought it would be a bigger move down than it was. But we can hold on to this for a little bit. Let's see what we got in here. So we'll take one off here. That's 5 points under. Was that $100, I think? So we're at the 30-minute mark. Just continue a little bit longer, probably right after this trade's over. And then call it a video. Okay, rip down. I'm going to get rid of these. See, I don't like those big greens. We're in at a terrible area right there. That's right in the middle. Right smack dab in the middle of that box. So I'm expecting a reversal right here. Come back down. Get rid of this. This could be where it wipes out all our profits. Let's see if it goes up. Where does it want to go? Possibly up to here. It's like another 10 points. Okay. So here we want it to go below our entry point, and we're going to reduce a bunch. Maybe we should just exit the whole thing. All 12. Now, the thing that sucks is if we exit all 12, if it does make a run and keeps going, that's going to take us out and we're not going to participate. It'll be awesome if it gets down to here. It's 15 points. does look like it's building a base to move up though. So that is concerning. Come on, test the low, run down, overshoot those guys, go past our thing there. I think this is where I'm going to regret not getting out right there. At pretty much an even, at a break even. I thought I was going to go down a little more. Here we go. Took us out 5,800. Okay, how are we time-wise? 10:15. Maybe this is a good place to stop right now. We're going to pause this, and maybe we'll start at like 10:16 next time around and go up until lunchtime, which will put us right at like 11 o'clock. So we ended this at 10:15. Taking my notes. We did pretty darn good, right? So 59.65. And we got 100% winning trades, which is beautiful. We like seeing that. Don't really care as long as, actually, it could be 50-50. I don't care as long as we are in profit. So we made 59.65 for this session, $100 in fees to Tradovate. That's fine. Cost of doing business. And so that puts us at 58.63. So $5,800, $5,900 for the session of like just a little bit over 30 minutes. So I hope you found that interesting. We'll look at some of these trades. I kind of jumped into a couple of these. They weren't like the best entries because, the best entry is you wait for it to get in there, then it reverses, and then you get like the full spread of that move. Like here, you would have gotten in all the way up here on top and caught the whole move down, right? Or even further on back. You get in at the top, you catch the whole thing down. We did get taken out early a couple times, but hey, profit is profit. If you make $100, it's better than making nothing. Better than making $5. So instead of giving everything back, I do like to try to take profits here and there wherever I can. Like I said, just to not give it all back. And this makes it's easier to do when you have more of a size, right? If you have 4, 6, 8 contracts. We did go a little heavy on this last one, 8 or 12 contracts. That's quite a bit, but it worked out pretty good. Actually, it was getting a little dangerous over here. I was really worried about it getting past this level and then ripping up. So that would have dinged us quite a bit. We would have given back basically everything we got at the beginning of the session. But I mean, that's how it goes. It's about, I guess, taking the risks and, profiting when you can. If you get dinged, what happens. You make it back. You make it back. So thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thank you very much.